Special shout out to my subscriber who just met me here while I'm preparing the recording of this video, and he crashed with the bike with his kid in the back. Thankfully everybody's okay. Here is High and Dry. Two gyms in a week, I bet you think that's pretty clever, don't you, boy? Flying on your motorcycle, watching on the ground beneath you fall. You kill yourself for recognition, you kill yourself to never ever stop. You're broken on a mirror, you're turning into something you are not. So don't leave me high, don't leave me dry, don't leave me high, don't leave me dry. Hi guys, I'm Vasco and today we're taking a look at High and Dry by Radiohead. I'm going to show you how to play it in the original key on a high G string ukulele. So grab yours and let's jump right into this tutorial. Alright, that would be a little bit simplified version, but I guess on the ukulele it's satisfying enough. So we basically have the chord of F sharp minor. Then we have the chord of A suspended 2, which I'm grabbing like this. Alright. And then the chord of E, of which I'm just barring on the 4th fret and avoiding the A string, or actually right now I'm muting it. And sometimes I'm adding here the suspended 4 on the E chord, right? So throughout the whole song, basically we go between F sharp minor to A suspended 2 to E, 2 bars. But there is a specific strumming that I would like to show you, and also the intro. Actually, for the intro I'll come a little bit closer so you can see better what exactly am I doing. All right, so we basically grab the F sharp minor, but with the pinky here I'm actually on the E string 4th fret, right? And we are starting on an up strum because we are not starting on the first time of the bar, we are starting on the previous bar. So we're starting with the up, down, up, and the next down is the first time of the next bar, right? And after we play the first time the next bar, we slide this, okay? So up, down, slide, down, down, up, down, down. Then we grab the same thing again, up, down, up. But this time I slide and immediately grab here the A suspended 2, right? So up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Alright, you see where I'm adding the E suspended 4? It's not necessary to do it, but I like how it sounds, so I'm adding it. I'm not sure that you can hear it in the original recording too. And then when you get back to the verse, you basically play the chords with the strumming pattern that starts on the first time this time. So down, down, up, down, up, down, up, basically the same strumming pattern, but we're starting it from the first time, right? Not from the up, down, down, up, down, immediately. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down. So it goes something like this. 2 jumps in a week, I bet you think that's pretty clever, don't you, boy? Flying on your motorcycle, watching all the ground beneath you fall. You'd kill yourself for recognition, you'd kill yourself to never ever start. You broke another mirror, you're turning into something you are not. Don't leave me high. Here's basically the same thing, but I'm trying to strum a little bit louder to kind of make it obvious that this is the chorus. Don't leave me high. Don't leave me dry. Don't leave me high. Don't leave me dry. Alright, you see where I'm ending the chorus, I strum once on A suspended 2. Don't leave me dry. And then we continue the strumming. Alright, and after the first chorus we get back to this little thing. And also there is this little solo, which if you have a ukulele buddy who can hold the rhythm, you can play this. Five-tone solo, pretty simple. Alright, so that was my ukulele tutorial for high and dry. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. It will be easier to learn if you have the printable in front of you and also the interactive tabs. So yeah, that was it for today. Thank you very much. See you in the next one. Goodbye.